it's Jessica here, and I'm here in my wonderful bedroom. Woohoo. And for today's video, I did not know anything what to do. So I have 3 things. Oh, by the way guys, sorry. I couldn't make a gaming video because I was just so sick in the stomach. And I'm so sorry. And today is Saturday, and it's sort of sunny outside. There's a little bit of clouds. I know. And I have 3 things written down on receipts that I cut out because I'm so cool that I'm allowed to do that. Beat that. Now I've got these in the box, and I'm going to block my eyes, and then I'm going to pick a random one. And there's one that's really bad and I don't want to do it. But we'll find out. Who cares? I don't. Here we go. This is it. Okay, this one is pretty funny. Now, if you are in New Zealand, you know what these are. I know. Super Animal collectible cards. I have a ton in here. And I know they're really old now, but who cares? I've still got a book over there, but I've got a tin as well. And this is what this game is today. I have to pull out one random card and say the sound of the card. Now I hope you enjoy this, because I'm not going to. So guys, I've picked out some cards. Here they are here. I can't see them, don't worry. And they're there. And I've also got this. Some of you might know about it if you're in New Zealand, like I said. And it's just shows us what the sound actually sounds like. So if I fail the sound, then I can then test the sound to see if I was correct. This is going to be exciting. So let's go. First one up. African buffalo. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Help. Now, let's test that to see if that was correct. I'm really nervous what it sounds like. It's not working. Hang on. Why isn't it working? I was nowhere close. What is it? Honey badger. Now, does anyone know what the heck a honey badger is? What is that thing? What does it sound like? I'm guessing this. It sounds so weird. Let's test this thing. Woo. Sorry guys, I have to end this episode very quickly. I'm so sorry. My storage on my iPad is really bad. I'm sorry, but I have time for one more. So here we go. It's the black mamba. Okay. I'm gonna be really bad at this, but that's my guess. Here we go. What do you sound like? That does not sound like a snake. If you think that sounds like a snake, I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Leave a like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video of me. Seriously, subscribe and buy these things in the store. They are amazing. They're beautiful. I love them. They smell so good. I bought them from Countdown. My brother showed me them. And I love them. And anyways, leave a like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.